Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Honda Rebel 300 ABS. This bike only has 760 miles and is offered for $42.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features, this one also has a passenger seat and foot pegs. It's about a $350, $400 option that's available on these bikes. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. This is a great in-town bike. You can take it on the freeway, also ride 2 up on it. It has a super low seat height, so if you have a shorter inseam, this is a very nice bike, and also a great starter bike. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.